My friends, gather around. Let's have a serious, kitchen table talk about your hard-earned money. If you are approaching retirement, or if you're already there, you know that every single dollar counts. You've spent decades working, sacrificing, and saving so you can finally breathe a little easier. And in this digital age, it seems like there is an app for everything. Every company promises they are going to help you manage your money, save your money, or grow your money. One app you might have heard your kids or grandkids talking about is called Albert. They call it an all-in-one financial super app. It promises to help you budget, save automatically, and even invest. But today, we are asking the golden question. The question that you must ask before you give any company your banking information. Does Albert charge you a monthly fee? The short, direct, and honest answer is yes. Yes, they absolutely do. And not only do they charge a fee, but it might be a whole lot more expensive than you realize. Let's pull back the curtain on how this works, because fintech companies love to use fancy words to hide the math. Albert offers a few different tiers. Their standard plan starts at $19.99 a month. That is practically $240 a year. If you want their premier service, which they call Genius, which features an artificial intelligence assistant and access to their human financial advisors, that is going to run you $39.99 a month. That is nearly $480 a year. Now, I want you to take a deep breath and think about that. Nearly $480 a year just to have an app on your phone. Let's talk about the fear here. The fear is that we get chipped away, $10 here, $20 there, by subscriptions we don't even remember signing up for. When you're on a fixed income, those microtransactions are a silent leak in your boat. You think you're doing something good for your financial health by downloading a budgeting app, but instead, you've just signed up for a recurring bill that drains your account balance automatically every single month. Why does this happen? It's because of the trial period trap. Albert offers a 30-day free trial. It sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Try it for free, see if you like it. But they require your payment details up front. And if you don't cancel that trial in time, the auto-renew kicks in. Suddenly, you look at your bank statement a few months down the road, and you see $20 or $40 gone. I hear from folks all the time who say, Susie, I tried to cancel, but it's so confusing. I can't find the button. They keep charging me. That is a real, justified fear. It's easy to get signed up, but it can feel like climbing a mountain just to get out of it. So, let's ask the critical question. What are you actually getting for this money, and does the math make sense for you? Albert advertises that they can help you build your savings automatically. They track your spending, find a few dollars here and there, and move it into a savings account for you. They also offer a high-yield savings option, but to get that yield, you have to be on the paid Genius tier. Let's do the math together. Grab your calculator. If you are paying $39.99 a month for the Genius plan to get their high-yield savings rate, you are paying roughly $480 a year for the privilege. Even if their savings account pays a decent interest rate, say 4% APY, do you know how much money you have to keep sitting in that account just to break even on the fee? You would need to keep over $12,000 in that account all year long, untouched, just for the interest to cover the subscription fee. If you have less than $12,000 in there, you are actually losing money on net. You are paying them more than they are paying you. That is not smart money management. That is a transfer of your wealth to a tech company. They also offer what they call instant advances, allowing you to get up to $1,000 of your money early if you need cash before your next check arrives. Now, they state that a subscription isn't strictly required just to get a basic advance. But if you want the funds instantly, they charge you an express transfer fee that can run anywhere from $6 to $15 per transaction. If you choose the free transfer, you have to wait 2 to 3 business days. If you are retired, you should not be relying on cash advance apps to float you from month to month. Those apps are designed for people caught in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, and the fees, whether subscription fees or instant transfer fees, will keep you trapped in that cycle. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? First, if you already have Albert on your phone and you realized you've been getting charged, I want you to open that app right now. Go to your profile, tap on Help or Payments, and cancel that subscription immediately. Do not wait until tomorrow. Do it today. Second, look at your local, traditional credit union or bank. Most community banks and credit unions offer completely free checking and savings accounts for seniors, with absolutely zero monthly maintenance fees, zero subscription fees, and real, live human beings sitting behind a desk whom you can look in the eye and talk to when you have a question. They don't require an app, they don't charge you $20 a month to help you budget, and they won't automatically transfer your money without your direct permission. My friends, the best financial tool in the world is not an app on your phone. It is your own common sense. It is keeping your money where it belongs, in your pocket, earning interest for you, not paying for some tech company's software. Be safe, be smart, and protect your hard-earned retirement.